Hello everybody, today we are at Emerald Auto on Fredericksburg, Virginia. We have this beautiful, not so beautiful headlights. This beautiful XC60 Volvo. Basically we're gonna make them at least transparent for the headlight bulbs to shine through. Tires and rims, all you see here is basically brake dust. Leather seats with a different color of stitching all around. And also, as you can see here, the owner of the car previously put a lot of magnet stickers on the car, so we are gonna basically make sure to remove all these.
First, we drive the car into the carport ready to begin our work. Since each car has unique areas requiring attention, we carefully examine the floors, carpets, seats, trunk, and center console. Before we start detailing, we carefully inspect both the interior and exterior to create a comprehensive plan for the car and share our step-by-step approach. For this Volvo XC60, the foggy headlights give the car an older appearance than it actually has. We begin by cleaning the headlights with window cleaner to remove any dirt.
400 grit, 600, and 800.
We always take our time to ensure the headlight surface is prepped properly for flawless results. First, we spray soapy water and use 400 grit sandpaper to smooth the surface. Ensure to move the sandpaper horizontally and vertically on the headlight to cover the entire surface. Once the surface feels even, spray more soapy water and wipe away the residues with a clean microfiber towel to prepare for the next step. After finishing with the 400 grit sandpaper, we move on to 600 grit sandpaper. The steps are the same. Spray soapy water and use the sandpaper until the surface feels even to the touch. Once again, ensure to move the sandpaper in both directions to cover the surface. If necessary, don't hesitate to spray more soapy water to keep the surface wet and allow the sandpaper to glide smoothly. After a few steps, the headlight surface will begin to feel smoother. Once it feels evenly sanded, take your microfiber towel, spray some soapy water, and wipe it clean in preparation for the next step with the 800 grit sandpaper. Since 800 grit sandpaper is less abrasive than the 400 or 600, it will feel much smoother on the surface. You can see the first 3 grades of sandpaper we've used so far. Now, we'll use the 2000 grit sandpaper for the final step of preparation before finishing the job with our polisher. At this stage, our goal is no longer to remove scratches, but to create numerous hairline scratches to smooth the surface, ensuring the compound material adheres properly. After finishing with the 2000 grit sandpaper, we spray more soapy water and wipe the surface clean. The surface is now ready for the compound material to achieve a long-lasting effect. Now we need to ensure the compound bottle is shaken thoroughly. Apply 5 bean-sized dots of the compound onto the applicator pad. Spread the compound material evenly on the headlight by moving horizontally and vertically. After the first pass, we wipe the surface with a microfiber towel and proceed with a second pass. This time, make your pass at a slower speed. Ensure your polisher is set to its highest speed. Apply even pressure on the entire headlight without exerting excessive force on the polisher. Once finished, wipe the surface with a clean microfiber towel and take a look at the final result. With this car, I went ahead and did one more pass with a slightly harder pad to smooth out the remaining scratch marks on the headlights. This step is not 100% necessary, but if you are truly aiming to restore the headlights to their original condition, it's a better way to add the final touch. As you can clearly see in the video, you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on a new headlight. You just need to be patient and trust the process. When I finished with the headlight, I was satisfied with the end result.
Customer satisfied?
Yep,
Customer
always
satisfied.
satisfied.
As for the rest of the vehicle, we went ahead and vacuumed the interior. Ed has been diligently working on removing the pet hair embedded in the carpet since the beginning of the day. Ed pressure washed the floor mats. We cleaned the wheels, removing extensive brake dust and grime buildup. We shampooed the exterior using the 2-bucket method. After completing the wash, we dried the door jambs, mirrors, and any crevices. We also applied tire shine to the tires for a complete and polished look. Thanks for joining us today. Feel free to leave any comments or questions about the headlight restoration process. This is C from Garage 34. Emerald Auto's website link will be in the description below. Have a wonderful day.